What's up guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I will show you one easy science experiment part 2. So before starting this experiment, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me start. Number 1 is, first experiment is smoke burning of the candle. To do this experiment, we need a candle, a matchbox with matchstick. First, burn the candle. Oh. And take another matchstick and do like this. And do like this. See? Oh wow! So this is the first experiment of the part 2. Are you interested? Then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.